The last extinct animal, a tragic farewell. Every day, some precious species are disappearing from our planet. Some vanished millions of years ago, while others disappeared right before our eyes. But, do you know which animal was the most recently extinct on Earth? And why did it disappear? Today, let's uncover this heartbreaking story. What does the last extinct animal mean? First, let's understand what we mean by the last extinct animal. Here, we're talking about a species that became completely extinct after the death of its last living member. In other words, not a single member of that species exists anymore. Not in the wild, and not even in zoos. The last extinct animal, passenger pigeon. According to scientists, one of the most discussed names among recently extinct animals is Martha, a passenger pigeon. This bird died on September 1, 1914, at the Cincinnati Zoo in the United States. With her death, the species that was once the most numerous bird on Earth officially became extinct. 1. What was this bird like in the past? In the 18th century, the passenger pigeon population was estimated at around 5 billion. They flew in flocks so massive across North America that they would darken the sky. Sometimes, their flight would continue for hours on end, yet within just a century they disappeared completely. But, how? Why did the passenger pigeon go extinct? There were two major reasons for their extinction. 1. Overhunting. These birds were a cheap source of meat. People hunted them in large numbers and transported them by train from one city to another for sale. 2. Deforestation. Their natural habitat was the forest. As forests were cleared for agriculture and industrialization, they lost their homes. Together, these factors led to the disappearance of one of the most abundant bird species. Now, some more recently extinct animals. It's not just the passenger pigeon. Other species have also gone extinct in recent times, such as Brazilian blue macaw, Spix macaw, no longer seen in the wild since 2000. Puerto Rican crested toad. Western black rhino, officially declared extinct in 2011. What did we learn? These stories remind us that nature, wildlife, and humanity are deeply interconnected. When a species vanishes, it disrupts the balance of its entire ecosystem. It's our responsibility to become aware and take action now, so that we don't have to write another story like Martha's in the future. Nothing is unwise. Do you know of any other animals that recently went extinct? Let us know in the comments. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share with friends, and subscribe to our channel for